Okay, now I will show you the more details or the more good features for this system. And first we'll start with the pages. This is the appearance for the pages. And this is a stop key. So the customers can stop the promotion by himself. Very convenient. And this is the paper for the pages. You can customize it by yourself with your own logo or the own picture. And the battery for the pages is about 300 million powers. So the standby time is very long, about 18 hours. And the working range for the system is about 400 meters. And there are the light indicator for this system. This is the red light. The light is very gentle, not dazzling anymore. Okay, next I will show you the good feature for the keypads. As you can see, this is the antenna for the system. This is the power slot, and this is the charging slot. There are 20 charging slots for the system. And this it is a touching keypad, so the waterproof level is IP32. And you can set the pages by itself using the two keys, delete and call. You need to press them at the same time. This is F1. F1 is for the changing the ID of the keypads. F2 is for changing the pages ID. F3 is for the close or the open the beeper for the pages. And F4 is for changing the promote time. The time is from 1 to 99. So you can set it by yourself. And the most important thing is that this system supports 998 pieces pages. So it is enough for your use. And the number 999 is used to close all the pages one time. I will show you. Press the number and press call. All the pages will be closed at the same time. It is very convenient. So if you want to resell our system, just email us at support@retekess.com. We also have many types paging system. The white color, brown color, or black color. All you needed is supplied by the Retekess. So we will be here waiting for a message and hope that we can cooperate in the near future. So I will see you next time.